Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making Phulko Luchi, a traditional Bengali deep-fried puffy bread. Soft inside, crispy outside, and perfect with any curry or even just sugar. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup flour and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Luchi is a staple in Bengali households, often served for breakfast or special occasion. Gradually add 100 ml water and make a smooth dough. Unlike puris, luchi is usually made with all-purpose flour for a softer texture. In Bengali weddings, luchi is a must-have items on the menu. Knead the dough for 3 to 4 minutes until soft. The word Phulko means fluffy in Bengali, describing its perfect puff. Rub some oil on the dough and keep aside for 15 minutes. Take a small portion. Roll into a thin puri. Roll the dough evenly so luchis puff up properly. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Fry until the luchi puffs up beautifully and turns lightly golden. Use medium heat for frying, too hot and they will brown too quickly. Always fry 1 or 2 at a time to keep the oil temperature stable. Serve hot for the best taste. Don't stack hot luchis on top of each other, they will lose their crispiness. Luchi is rich in carbs, giving instant energy. For a lighter version, you can try air frying with a little oil. Using fresh, clean oil is essential for better digestion. Pairing luchi with vegetable curries make it a more balanced meal. That's how you make soft, fluffy and delicious Phulko Luchi at home. Try it with your favorite curry and enjoy the authentic Bengali flavor. If you love this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies. See you again with another tasty recipe.